Well, party people, tut tut, looks like rain. Looks like it finally showed up. Finally showed up. Gray, crappy, rainy skies. I just got finished with some training and software training and crap like that. Check this out. It's like really weird up here. And it's supposed to be like, I don't know, it's supposed to be like 60 something degrees Fahrenheit. You know how they tell you that this freaking clouds are supposed to keep the warmth in? No. Because it can still be cold and cloudy. They lied to us. Lying to us all. This is drizzling now, not too bad yet. No pouring down, no storms yet, so I guess we'll see. Everybody be safe out there. Peace.